Tonight, we're looking at what, if anything, we might see at the state and local levels. NBC 26's Juliana Falk is live now with a closer look at what lawmakers are saying. Juliana?
Both Republican and Democratic lawmakers say the increasing trend of coronavirus cases is a concern. And at this point, it doesn't look like statewide restrictions are a possibility. Patterns of coronavirus cases trending up. Now some healthcare leaders will wait to see what happens next.
What are we going to see 2 to 3 weeks from now in our hospital settings? That is a concern for those of us in healthcare as we see this trend.
State Representative Jim Steineke says if hospitalization rates start to really rise, then public health decisions will have to be made, likely on a local or regional level.
I think the state Supreme Court was pretty clear in the ruling that the state doesn't have the authority to indiscriminately close every business in the state or a vast majority of businesses.
State Representative Amanda Stuck says there are legislative steps that could be taken to put a plan in place, but says Republicans aren't willing to do it.
At this point, I don't know that we're in a good spot where our government is really set up to respond and put safety measures in place should we decide that they are needed. And so we're really just sort of at the whim of people and businesses just doing the right thing right now.
Stuck says some local governments were struggling to make their own decisions without state guidance. Brown County Corporation Council says while the health officer has authority to issue orders, enforcement is often the difficult part. They need to make sure ordinances are in place so there are penalties for those not complying. And Brown County officials are keeping a close eye on what's happening. And today, Brown County officials also stressed the importance of wearing a mask, washing your hands well, and continuing to practice social distance as much as possible. Live in Green Bay, Juliana Falk, NBC 26.
All right, Juliana, thanks so much. And you heard from lawmakers in Juliana's story there. We have reached out to state agencies as well to see what they might be planning. We are still waiting for a reply.